If you are looking for a multi-turn absolute encoder in CAN open interface, binary code output, 4096 revolutions and steps per revolution 8192, that is 1213, consider buying this German encoder. This is made by Posital, a highly reputed German company in existence for more than 100 years. They have footprint all over automation, right from energy harvesting to sensors, devices, almost everywhere. We stock a lot of Fraba encoders, not because we are their dealers, because they really make good encoders that make difference. So we buy it on our own and stock it here. In case you are looking for an encoder, contact us. We might have something in stock. Posital, Fraba, SIG, Heidenheim, Bomber, all. Whatever works in Middle East and in Dubai environment, for our customers we stock. We don't care where we are dealers or not. We buy it at our own cost. We stock it because we know our local customers need those encoders. So if you are looking for a real solution right away for making your machines work, contact us. We are here. We can supply you the encoder. We can find you an equivalent. We can install it to your machine.